Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a custom gradient in Canva. This is a great way to add unique color blends and give our designs a modern, polished look. Let's get started. On the Canvas editing dashboard, to add a gradient color in Canva, all we have to do is click the element we want to edit. Once we click the element, we go to the colors, either the text color or the color of the element. To change the text color, we just select it. Now let's click the brand kit. As we can see, there is a brand kit here, and we will see the edit option. All we have to do is click this one. Here, we click the multicolor logo icon, the Add New Color button. We can add a new color by clicking this. Along with the solid color option, we can also see the gradient options. Let's click on that. Now that we are here, we can combine the colors we want. For example, let's start with black and change it to green. Let's pick a lighter shade of green to keep it soft. For the second color, let's add yellow so it matches our design. We can go with a slightly darker shade here. As we can see, there is now the option to add another color. All we have to do is click Add again and choose Baby Blue. To create a warm effect, let's add orange and choose the shade we prefer. We can always choose colors based on what works best for our design. Now we can see our gradient color taking shape. We can also select different styles, like centered or circular, depending on what we need. Once we finish editing the gradient, if we want to add more colors, we can do that by clicking here. For example, let's add a solid pink. When we are done, all we have to do is choose the style we like. Let's go with this one, and our gradient is applied. To apply it to our text, we select the text, choose the gradient, and click Save. Once we make our selection, the gradient we created will appear right here. And there it is. That's how we create a custom gradient in Canva. With this simple technique, we can design beautiful color transitions and make our visuals really stand out.